Hi YouTube, today I'm going to be teaching you how to suck out your girlfriend's soul.
If you couldn't tell, we're back at home. And guess where our first stop is? You know, just, you know, the local, just a local favorite spot.
A little Mickey's, just a little.
We're trying to get some $1 fries, okay? Y'all would do too.
Yeah,
Y'all would do it too. So today, we're gonna go to Daiso, get lunch. We haven't
Planned the whole thing out yet.
No, I just want to hang out. I actually have no plan for
She
today.
told me, she was like, oh, you want to come run errands with me? I was like, sure.
And then I didn't have any more errands to run, like, by the time she came.
She's like, oh, but I was like, what are we doing? She's like, we're driving, and she was like, where are we going? You don't have errands to run?
No. I needed tampons, and I found some. So. But now we're gonna go to Daiso, and that's all I'm really excited about, because I love that place!
I've been wanting to go, actually.
But yeah, and then we're probably just gonna do some other shit. You can just see. I don't know. We don't really have a structure. I just want to be in Candace's presence, because I've only seen her behind a phone screen. Or in front of a phone screen. In a phone screen.
I know, we haven't seen each other so long!
I know.
And the last time was Christmas,
literally
but it
Sierra.
was for like one day.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Here. Do I need to wear a mask? I'm sorry. Sorry. Oh, is there Nicole? Yeah. Sheila, perfect. Why did I just stay there? Shit, I'm so far away. So far away. I think I'm like fucking stupid. Like, I don't know.
Welcome to an experience how to drive through with kiponaonalani.
I can't do this. I did so good ordering. Hi, thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Also,
To Daiso.
To Daiso. Which way should I?
You're a driver. You can do whatever you want, girl.
I'm not in the shortest route.
That way.
Oh shit! Fuck! Just go fast. Just go fast.
She's going in the opposite direction where the
Guys, I
arrows
promise
are.
I'm a great driver.
Wrong.
I just almost flew through a fucking red light. Holy shit. Oh my god. No, like, oh, that's the hardest I've ever had to stop on a race ever. That was really, really bad.
Oh my god.
Don't talk about it. Don't talk about it. Oh, God, it's for you, the fries. Oh, perfect amount of salt. Stop your phone. Look at you. I'm just a fucking mess. I can't do it. I wonder if people think like I like try to do this, like I try to be a mess. Like no. You can ask Candace. Like this is just. It's not exactly. There's no effort being put into this.
Maybe that's the reason why.
But yeah, see you at Daiso, you fuckers. We've picked up a passenger.
Wrong.
Oh. Where's speed bumps?
No, but like,
Oh.
you ran over something. Wrong. We're gonna go eat. Where are we eating? Cosmic Cones?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna go eat at Cosmic Cones, and then we're gonna go get boba. I want her to try Big Island protein.
Ooh, I haven't even tried that yet either.
Perfect. Okay. We can go there.
Also, we went to Daiso, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, we went to Daiso. You can see. The receipt.
Oh, yeah, you can see the receipt and my cute little new.
Oh. Anyways,
I'm cutting this out.
but see you there if we get there.
Hey.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Kill us.
Wow. It's a grass that.
You're suicidal. Oh. Wait.
Wait.
Hurry.
I'm too
Dark.
dark. Oh shit. Yeah, I got a Thai tea with boba.
I got a mango smoothie with boba.
I got some boba in my mouth.
Oh.
Sluts.
Okay, hey guys. So,
Hello.
Addison's gonna go first.
Oh.
What do you have to eat?
Hi everyone, I have hamburger steak. Hold on, let me get them open.
Whoa.
Guy. Here we go. Here we have some rice, we have our hamburger steak and gravy, and then we have, oh, there's no onions. And then we have our mac salad. Oh, okay. I got a mixed plate. This is the teriyaki beef, chicken, rice, and some mac salad.
Someone do me.
Oh, I got you. Kipona, what do we have today?
Today we have the chicken katsu plate.
Oh, guys.
Chicken katsu, katsu
Guy.
sauce, mac salad, rice. Yes, little fucking stress. Hey, welcome back to the vlog. Woo! You should guess where we are.
Oh my gosh.
I'm at McDonald's again. See, I went to McDonald's earlier with Candace.
Oh.
Yeah, if you can't tell, me and my friends love McDonald's.
Look at these.
Yeah. Today, we are going to be getting ice cream and fries. And maybe jump in the water. Can you eat it?
Not. Yes.
Water.
Is that a SpongeBob reference?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get you something to quench your
Water.
thirst. Wow, I look good in red lighting.
You always did. What the? Oh, that was such good timing.
Wow. Okay, Daniel, I see you. Now shut up.
Shut up. Call for your mom. That's right. Call for your mom.
Bro. I don't know how to be entertaining. I'm scared.
I'm scared. Did you guys hear that? I'm scared.
That
Anyways,
was not me.
This is me and Tyler's relationship. We actually don't talk normally. We only talk in references. Holy shit, look at this line, bro.
Oh my god.
For fucking McDonald's, you guys are such fat asses. Oh my god. Us included. Hawaii is fat asses for McDonald's.
Yeah, we're known for having diabetes.
Yeah, keep them.
Keep the bloodline strong.
Yep. Addiction also runs in the bloodline. Let's talk about it.
It's okay. That's what I did. Fuck.
That's also funny. Your windows are really tinted that way. So
No,
like,
the front two aren't tinted at all.
yeah, so you just fuck. Hey guys, we're back. We're at a volleyball tournament.
We won.
No, we didn't.
It wasn't bad though. It was like 25.
Wasn't as bad as I thought.
Yeah, it wasn't as bad as I thought.
We made a comeback. Anyways, fit check.
Today, I quit my OG shirt is in my storage unit at college. So I had to wear this one, and I'm actually teaming because she wanted me to ball. And then I have my Under Armour. These are my favorite types, my favorite brand, the Under Armour brand. And then I have Mizuno knee pads and Nike socks, and my PGs are over here because we went outside. Gotta rep GCU even though I'm, yeah.
Fit check.
So my slippers are $10. my socks about $20 a pair.
A pair?
Yeah. Had
My boy.
just one.
Hey,
So
bud.
that's half off. So half of 12 would be 8.
6.
My
Why are you
Nike-
giving
prices.
I don't know where this is from. I think I stole it. Cost it like 10 for free. High intensity rap.
High intensity rap. Gotta turn around 808 Aloha State.
I bought that shirt too.
Dang. Wrong.
Mine's the 808.
Yours the 8. Okay, keep on. Go ahead,
Okay,
sweetheart.
hi guys, good check. So this is a bag that my cousin, I'm pretty sure, got from Goodwill, and I love it. I have this black shirt. This is the OG shirt.
Gotta get the made in the 808 Aloha State.
Did you get my sweat?
Yeah, no, but your hair is in the way. Going.
Anyways, I have these shorts from my college team.
Gotta
Go
rep.
Titans.
Gotta rep the teams.
These are knee pads.
Oh, I forgot my Crocs.
Nike socks. Big Birks from Target. Did y'all get that?
Yeah.
And I'm also wearing these little shorts.
Nice.
And that's it. So right now, we're trying to figure out how we're gonna squeeze everybody in this car.
We figured it out already.
Oh my fucking bad, trying to figure it out!
Would you like me to show them?
Yeah, show them.
Okay, let's do that. Say hi to the vlog.
Oh my god, it's like another race.
Oh, not the sun. Oh, not the sunroof.
Bruh, everyone, click it or fucking tick it.
What are we supposed to do back here? I kick it then, huh?
There looks like there's a seatbelt.
Okay, where are we going? What?
With lots of love, gold magnum, that's my boxing glove. Like a red nose.
Okay, get it? Yeah. Velocity edit. Yeah. Why are you holding it like that? What am I supposed to hold it like where you can sit? You're like, oh, like this?
No, like this.
Oh, is that her? Yeah, that's her. There she is. Woo! Woo!
Saw this dummy this morning. On the dance floor, no panties.
Hey guys, look who we have here.
Look what we just picked up.
Look who we picked up. Express shipping.
I just flashed the dogs on camera.
What up, little mama? It's your boy Youngin. G5 dip and Louis Vuitton luggage. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
It's like we're in a cult.
How the fuck would you say that?
I'm sorry. It's like we're in a cult.
Anyways, we're gonna
gonna
pop some fireworks.
We're having more fun with the mosquito punks than we are with the fireworks because we haven't popped any yet.
Oh, hi guys. I'm also here.
Oh, need a hello? You want this punk?
You're a punk.
You're supposed to say no! And then I go.
Oh!
Okay, try again.
Retake.
You want this punk? No. Oh.
Wow. Skank, you know how skank.
I don't know how to do that. I tried that last night. It didn't go.
Not the dogs.
That's the Hawaiian Superman right there.
No. As we be skanking, yeah. Y'all something to say to me. Y'all got something to say to me. We got to.
Was it ready?
What you mean we're all ready?
Oh, Jesus.
There's something off about you. You're a homosexual.
You're so blurry.
What did you say?
How's it hanging? Apparently I can't say welcome back to the vlog because I say that too much. Yeah, you do.
It looks sick.
Anyways, shoots, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
The levels and stuff.
Okay, bye.